To create an effective PowerPoint presentation, it is important to make your slides easy to read. You can do this by simply formatting the text. Using a bulleted or numbered list is one way to format the text for easy readability. By default, when you type text in the placeholder of a new slide, a bullet is automatically inserted before the text, thereby starting a bulleted list. Bulleted lists are used to list down items randomly without emphasizing on any one item. You can modify this list using the bullets command from the Home tab in the paragraph group. Select the list and then click the bullets down arrow. Select the desired bullet style from the menu. The bullet style gets applied to the list. Similarly, you can apply and modify the numbered list. You can see the numbering style had changed. A numbered list is used to list down items in chronological order. You can also change the color, style, or size of the bullets or numbers in your presentation. For this, select the text in the bulleted text, click the arrow next to either the bullets or numbering command, and then click the bullets and numbering option. In the bullets and numbering box, the different options under the bulleted tab help you to change the bullet style, while the different options under the numbered tab help you to change the number style. Let us see the bulleted tab first. Here, from the size option, you can set the bullet size using the up and down arrows. Click the color drop-down box and select a color. The new bullet size and color are applied. The pictures option is used to select a picture to be used as the bullet style. You can choose a picture from your computer or an online source. You can also choose an icon from the Microsoft icon library. Similarly, use the Customize option to select a symbol from various options available to customize and use it as the bullet style. As mentioned earlier, numbered lists are used when you need to put the items of a list in a specific order. Usually, a numbered list starts at number 1. But sometimes, you may want to start the list from a different number. Select an existing numbered list. From the bullets and numbering box, click the numbered tab. In the field, enter the desired starting number. Now, you can see the numbering list is starting from a different number. Now, to create a multi-level list, you can use the Increase Level List command. The multi-level list is created by increasing the indent of an individual bulleted item. Indents are space or tabs added to push the text away from the slide margin. It can be used to create multi-level lists or to visually set paragraphs apart from one another. Select the paragraph and then click the Increase List Level option. You can see the text is pushed towards the right. The Decrease List Level option is used to decrease the indent of a paragraph and a bulleted item or list. The Line Spacing option is used to adjust the amount of space between each line and to improve the readability of a list or paragraph. Select the text and click the Line Spacing option. Then, select the desired line spacing option from the menu. The line spacing gets adjusted. To precisely adjust the line spacing, select the line spacing options. The paragraph dialog box appears. It helps you to specify the space before and after each paragraph by selecting or entering the line spacing. You can also specify the alignment and indentation values. Now, To change the horizontal placement of the text in the slide, you can choose the alignment left, center, right, or justify. Justify adds space between words so that the lines of the text are equally spread between the left and right margins. The Add or Remove Columns option helps you to split the text into 2 or more columns or remove an existing column. The Text Direction command is used to change the direction of the text in the vertical or stacked form. You can also rotate the text in various directions using this command. Clicking More Options displays the advanced text options on the right pane, which is related to the text box. The Align Text command is used to align the text within the text box. In the PowerPoint, you can also show the bulleted list in a nice visual form. The SmartArt Graphic option helps you to do this. A SmartArt is fully customizable and gives a nice visual appeal to your text. Click to select the text box containing the bulleted text and click the Convert to SmartArt option. The text is converted into a SmartArt graphic. Move the cursor over different layouts to see what works best with the bulleted list. After you select a layout, the text in the slide is automatically arranged and presented using shapes. To view more layouts, click the More SmartArt Graphics option at the bottom of the gallery. In this way, you can use the paragraph group to make your slides look beautiful and easy to read.